Now the stack navigation is working. The next step is to organize the app into multiple tabs, so different sections are always one tab away. In the current layout.tsx, both index and then settings are part of the stack. As we are going to implement tab navigation in our app, we are not gonna need this settings page from the stack. And in Expo, the Expo router handles the tab navigation with a special folder structure. To implement tab navigation in the Expo app, we need to create a folder called tabs inside this app folder, name as tabs group, and inside this we will move this index.tsx and then settings.tsx inside tabs. And also we will add one layout.tsx file. Inside this layout.tsx file, we will configure the tab navigation and we will call this as tabs layout. And inside this, instead of returning some component, we will return tabs from Expo router, which will configure the bottom tab navigation for our app. And also we will configure the screens for the tab. One is named as index and then one is settings. And inside this, instead of routing it to the index, we will route it for the tabs. Once it is done, we can remove this screen options. And also in this layout, let us add some options like header shown as false, for both the screens. Now once it is done, this will configure the tab navigation for our app. As you can see, there are two tabs for now. One is index and then one is settings. And also inside this layout.tsx, we can declare the properties for the tab or tab icons or the tab segments. Like you can add title for both the things. One is to dos and then one is settings. To dos and settings. It will rename the labels. And also you can add a tab bar icon property where it will return color comma size, and you need to return icon for that. For this, now I will use ion icons from vector icons. Size is equal to size and then color is equal to color. Let us import ion icons from Expo vector icons. So this is for the settings screen, and for this we will use font awesome 5 and replace name with tasks. Once it is done, you can see both of the icons and then labels has been changed now.